Welcome back everyone for a new episode of Kaméidi, even though it will be a short one, but we got some news to share. And obviously there's a new season upon us. August was pretty quiet. Everybody was on holiday, on leave or whatever. Me too. But here we are today. And some news regarding how we will continue with Kaméidi. Because obviously, as some of you might have noticed, the last months or even years, there was mostly, me, myself and I featured, which I adore what I do here. I really enjoy every second of it, even the stress and whatever. But as a group, meaning the three of us, we came to the conclusion that it would be best, especially regarding our friendship and our background, to go our separate ways, so to speak. And basically everybody has their own thing they will feature. They will be featured on. So Daniel has the metal inspector, which is very important to him. Pete has several other things going on. And we thought it would be best for us and for the channel to go our separate ways, meaning you will see probably me, myself and I for a few months to go. I have no idea where to go from here. I know that I will be carrying the torch as best as possible and feature as many things that I personally enjoy, hopefully stay relevant with the news, metal news, locally as internationally. There will be some interviews coming up in the following weeks, in the following months. There will be some bigger stuff going on in January next year. Looking very forward to that. Just like a small hint, Hollow Metal number 4 will be featured there in a bigger setup. And obviously we have October, which marks the 5th anniversary of Kaméidi, which is 5 years of talking trash basically and trying to convince all of you out there that we know some things about metal music. And I think we do. We evolved in a way that I would never have imagined, and I still love doing this, and I will continue doing this for sure. And with help of several others, featured guests, even the boys will maybe be back in the near future as guests. But for now, these are the news. And I hope to see you in the comments that you enjoy what is going on here and still continue supporting us in the best way possible. We will do, or Kaméidi will do, whatever is necessary to support the local scene as best as possible, and all our international friends are more than welcome. And it will continue. The show must go on, basically. And with that said, I hope to see you very soon. Check out all the content that has been done so far, and trust me, there will be more. So with that said, have a great one and see you very soon.